People, thank you so much for joining me today at the ISN Tool Dealer Expo.
Thank you.
We have so many questions for you, but in the interest of time, I think we'll kind of keep it a little bit short here if you don't mind.
No worries.
So the first one is, what are some really interesting tool and equipment trends that you're seeing here?
Yeah, no, we're excited, and thank you for having me. The thing that I think that we're seeing the most is a lot of new innovative, new tools, new technology. Some of the things we talked about earlier, which is whether it's around diagnostics, whether it's around making the technician be more effective in diagnosing the or kind of analyzing the problem, is certainly a trend we're seeing. We're also seeing, tools that kind of, and equipment that really makes the technician and the professional mechanic a lot more effective at doing their jobs, and as I was sharing with you earlier, of course the big companies, the big, suppliers or whatever are important, but it's those little small niche opportunities, whether it's boots or other things that really are important in this industry as well.
Oh, and you never know what diamond you're going to find in the rough, right? That's what's sort of exciting.
Exactly.
And I know that you feel the same way as I do about physically coming, if you're able to. Can we talk a little bit about, why that's exciting to have people here really at the show?
Yeah, no, it's very exciting. This is my first TDE. I actually joined the company about 2 years ago, but this is our first TDE in 3 years. And so we're super excited. You can't replace this. The energy, the connection, the opportunities for our customers to learn more about our suppliers and the solutions they have to offer, the partnerships that are generated here, and besides, we like to sell things. So this is an opportunity for us to, make sure that we're providing products and solutions for our customers as well.
Absolutely. And most of our viewers do know that we have a magazine called Professional Distributor. So I will just also ask you here, for those individuals who are listening who have tool trucks, what tips or tricks or any kind of feedback we can give for them?
Yeah, no, I would just say leverage your distribution partner, and we're the market leader in that space. We've got really great customer service and all of those things, but really we have a knowledgeable base of employees as well. When you look at the average age or the average tenure probably of my sales organization, it's 20 plus years in the industry, and some as much as 25 to 30 years. So they know the products, they know the solutions, they've got great relationships with our suppliers, and they can help. Second thing I would do is say is use our platforms. So we have ToolWeb, which is a great tool, informational tool to get access to products and information around how they can help, as well as you can order through those platforms as well. So leveraging platforms, leveraging technology, and certainly the people that really drive our business as well.
Excellent. Well, thank you so much, Pete. I really appreciate your time.
Thank you, Amanda.